I have to precisely put this piston, top piston, in the middle. I don't have any more blocks that you can like put, like, I don't have any more square things like this flat square where there's only one dot stud in the middle. I made my own one, which can still work as putting one thing in the middle. So, but right now I'm measuring with a long stick. See, I need to precisely put it in the middle. It's really flimsy. This is good. I put it so it goes right in the middle. It doesn't stand still because the weight. I need to put another support beam on the other side. But yeah, I already got one side done. Nice. I'll keep that thing right there. It works right now. I don't have any proper gears, so I had to make my own, which took way longer than expected. These still work, but it's obviously it's much more primitive, but it still gets the job done. I had to this right here keeps this little gear, since the bottom is flimsy and then they put a lot of pressure on it, so it keeps on popping out. So I put this thing as support, so it keeps it there. And this thing right here, this thing's connected to the thing's connected to one of these. So, and it keeps on popping in place. So then it goes more inside, and then it doesn't touch these gears, and it doesn't touch it, so obviously it doesn't work. So I kept this thing right here to keep it not from popping inside, so it stays on those gears. And yeah, this keeps these. I had to put a middle gear here because it stays there better. I had so much trouble finding a gear to put for this second last one here, but finally I put one, and it's pretty simple. Still very flimsy. And yeah, it works. This is supposed to be like an old steam engine, I guess, like ships at the time had like steam engines like this. I think Titanic had a double reciprocating or something. Obviously, this doesn't look anything like Titanic's huge engines with two of these things with like pistons all over the place and things. But yeah, this is a very simple one that like smaller ships had, I guess. Not like smaller ships, but this is a very simple looking piston engine. If you guys know a bit about ships and their steamships and their old engines, you would know what type of engine this is. Alright, so I made the top piston. It's really nice. Really good. It's quite nice. I put the third propeller. I don't have another one of these spiky things, so I just got like a plain propeller and just stuck it on this stick over here to a shaft. Then I stuck it on this gear over here. This gear has like a short connector to it, so I can put half of this connector inside of it, so it still works. I found an extra large gear. This one, this gray one. This is all connected. These two gears that I connected by this stand thing. But yeah, still gets the job done. It wasn't as difficult actually to put these two gears together. It's quite easy. The other gears are hard, but I built the piston. Obviously, I don't have all the blocks. I mean, I don't have a lot of like blocks to make it look better, but I still have blocks to like build. So I got a lot of spare blocks and things to build the support beam all the way up. It's connected by a connector, so you can put a connector in a hole. There's 4 holes, so there's a connector in the middle of this, and there's a connector in the middle here. Oh yeah, and these are support beams as well. I put like connectors. A little bit taller with this little slab right here. I made it just to fit this support beam. So I put connectors on each side to keep it, and then a connector over here, then 2 other support beams going down, and then they connect to 2 other connectors, and then these things, they connect to this ground level support. These 2 things right here keep it from falling this way, and these keep it from falling that way. It's pretty nice. Let's see it work better. I'm gonna use this toy Fiat, since it can wound up. I'm gonna wound it up on over here, on this thing. Nice. Let me keep my foot on it. It works very good. It isn't grindy. It's not hard to like crank. Even that toy car can crank it, and it works pretty good. It works pretty smoothly. It doesn't break when it goes fast. It isn't flimsy anymore. These things, they keep the gears nice and tight, so then they don't fall off. Let's see it work again. Let's see. Oh yeah, from the front. Can't really see the back. Nice. That was a nice shot. Oh yeah, and it's not done. It's not completely done. This piston shaft, I'm thinking of making it like more realistic, like the piston shaft, and then it has like a hinge, like in the middle here, and then the top piston shaft on top of the hinge. So the top piston shaft is just going up and down, while the bottom one is moving to the rhythm of piston, basically. I mean, to the rhythm of like the crank. It's cranking the engine, moving in a circular motion. And the top shaft is going up and down, up and down. Anyways,